In this video, we will talk about how to solve proportional relationships when given a word problem. And our problem is Addie can eat 9 treats in 2 minutes. In 10 minutes, how many treats can she eat? So I'll solve this 3 different ways, and then you can pick the method that you like the best. So to start, I'm going to set up a table with the information. So we have treats and we have minutes. So she ate 9 treats in 2 minutes, and our goal is to figure out in 10 minutes how many treats can she eat. So if I wanted, I could just keep the pattern going. So like in 2 minutes, she eats 9 treats. So in 4 minutes, she would eat 18 treats because I just doubled these numbers. So I doubled these ones, and I could keep going. So in 6 minutes, she will eat 27. I'm just going to add 9 every time. And then in 8 minutes, she would eat 36. And then 10 minutes, she would eat 45. So you could kind of use a pattern like that. Or just from the beginning, if we wanted, we could say, well, 2 times 5 would give me 10. So 9 times 5 would give me 45. And that's how I could get this answer. So you can just use multiplication. Okay, so the second method is that we could create an equation. So over here, I have 9 treats in 2 minutes. And then over here, I know that 10 minutes goes on the bottom because if I have minutes here, I need to also have minutes on the bottom over here. I need to line up my units. Okay, and then up here, I'll just put X for treats because we don't know how many. That's what we're going to solve. So let me rewrite the equation without the words. Okay, so one method I could use is called the giant one. So what I could do is I have 9 over 2. And then times our giant 1, we can use that to figure out what x would be. So 2 times what gives us 10? So 2 times 5 is 10. And I know in my giant 1, I have to have the same number on the top and bottom. Okay, so if 2 times 5 is 10, 9 times 5 is 45, and so we know that x equals 45. And that's the same answer that we got when we used the table. Okay, so that's one way we could solve the equation. Another way is that we could use cross multiplication. Okay, so we have cross multiplication. So let me rewrite the equation. So 9 over 2 equals x over 10. So with this one, we're going to multiply it diagonally. So I have 2 times x, 9 times 10. So 2 times x is 2x. And then I have 9 times 10 because that's the other diagonal. Okay, so I have 2x, and then 9 times 10 is 90. And so our last step is that over here it's 2 times x. And so the opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2 because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I do the same thing on the other side. And I have left over, I have x equals, and then 90 divided by 2 is 45. And again, that's the same thing we got using the other two methods. So cross multiplication is a good method. You can also use giant 1, or if you just want to set up a table, that's a good way to do it.